A homeowner asked me about adding a steam humidifier to her HVAC system. When she saw the price, she went a little quiet. It was a few $1,000s more than she expected. Then she said something I hear a lot. If we're going to do this, then we might as well do it right. That sounds smart, but that's also where people overbuy. Steam humidifiers are strong. They don't need hot air to work. They make their own steam. That matters more today than it used to. Modern furnaces don't blast hot air all the time. They run lower and slower. They warm the air, but it's not very hot. And regular humidifiers, they need heat. They use warm air to help water turn into moisture. If the air isn't hot enough, they don't work as well. Steam doesn't care. It just adds moisture. Now let me tell you about a job that I was just at. The furnace was in a small closet. Very tight space. There was no room on the side. No good place to mount a normal humidifier. In that house, steam made sense. It wasn't fancy. It was just the only clean option. That's when steam is right. But that's not most homes. Most homes have space. Most homes have enough heat. Most homes can stay comfortable with a normal humidifier. The problem isn't technical. It's mental. Steam feels like the best choice. And if you're planning on staying in your home a long time, best feels safe. But safe and needed aren't the same thing. Sometimes steam solves a real problem. Sometimes it just makes you feel better. And feeling better can cost a lot. The goal isn't to buy the most powerful thing. The goal is to match the house. When steam is needed, it's smart. When it's not, it's just extra. Clarity saves money. Stay comfortable, but please, stay tuned.